In today's video, I will show you how to make $550 in 24 hours. In this method you don't need any skill, any experience, you don't need any website. You don't need to invest any money. Anyone from anywhere can do this. But disclaimer, this will not work for you if you're too lazy to watch the full video. Most people do the same mistake and they can't make any money. So if you value your time and you don't want to waste it, then this tutorial is absolutely for you. So be smart and watch this full video. First of all, go to this website. Here you can see recent payment proof. So you can see all these people are withdrawing their earned money every single day. And here you can see their username, withdrawal date, payment method, and amount. That amount is too low because they are not using a secret trick. But if you watch this video until the end, I will show you a bonus so that you can increase your earning. Anyway, you can see that this is only for today. How many people they have paid. And you can see over 33,000 pages. And each of those pages has over 20 different people. So that's a lot of people that are being paid every single day with this website. And here you can see they claim that over 90% of payments are paid within 8 hours. So that you don't wait for weekly or monthly payments. Here you can see they have paid over $4 million to their members. And they have over 800,000 registered members. You can withdraw your money via PayPal, Tango Card, Amazon, Skrill, and Bitcoin. This website support work from the home system so that it does not matter where are you from. You can work from all over the world. And the cool thing is you will get 20 cents as a sign-up bonus. This website also supports referral program so that you can increase your earnings by using it. This website is called superpay.me. Now don't go directly to this website. And don't skip if you already know this website. Because I told you before. In this video I will show you a trick as a bonus so that you can maximize your earnings. Here you can see, on a similar web, over 500k people visited their website. And most of the traffic comes from the USA. So that you can imagine how popular this site is. And here you can see, on this review site 97% of reviewers recommend superpay.me. So that we can say this website is legit. Now come up here and click on this join free today button. Once you click on this, you will land on this page. Now you will need to enter some basic information about yourself so you can register. So enter your first name, last name, enter your email, repeat your email. Choose your username. Type a strong password. Repeat your typed password. Then enter your mailing address. Then select your favorite payment method. Check all of these boxes. Solve this. I am not a robot box. And click on this create account button right here. When you log into your account it looks like this. Here you can track your balance, points, and referrals. And on the right hand side, you can see real time how much money people are making on this platform. Now make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video or new methods to make money online, YouTube will notify you so that you will be the first to know about a strategy, tips and tricks so that you will start making real money fast than others. And also, comment down below what country you are in right now. I want to know. Because in that way, I will know exactly where you're from. So in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below now. Here you can see all of the different surveys that you can complete. And each of those surveys is going to make you money. But it's not something that we will be focusing on. Now come up here, click on offer walls, and then click on all offer walls. Once you click on it you will land on this page. Here you will find so many boxes. Simply click on any box and you will land on this page. Here you will find out so many easy offers. You can also filter it by mobile apps, desktop offers, and surveys. After completing all of those offers, go back to this page and click another box. Once you do that, you will find So many offers again. By completing those offers you will get points. Don't worry about points. You will exchange them for real money from here. Simply click on it and you will land on this page. Here you can convert your points to real cash. On this website, you also have an active contest and you can even win 1,000 cash. That's good and I highly recommend you check out those contests. Because contests can make you thousands upon thousands of dollars. They usually run those contests every good month. You can also see other people that have been winning thousands of dollars with this platform in the past contests. But the question is, how will you be making money? If not by completing surveys, offer walls and so on. How will you be making money on autopilot? First of all, click on the referrals right here. Once you do that, you will know exactly how much money you will be make. You will be making 25% of whatever the person you have referred to the platform makes money. So if you refer someone, they start making money by completing surveys and offers. You will be making 25 of whatever they make. They will not lose anything. If they made $1,000, they will still keep their money. But you will just get $250 extra just for referring them. Now let's calculate your potential earning. If you refer 1,000 people to this platform and each of those people makes only $5 a month, that's $5,000 in total. And if you make 25% of that, you will make $1,250 every single month completely passively without any work. And it's so easy to refer someone to this platform. So as a bonus, I will show you how you can do it. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Smash the like button and also comment down below what country you are in right now. In that way, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. And you can make lots of money. So comment your country name down below. Now let's get started. So what you will need to do is simply grab your link right here and go to beermoneyforum.com. Here you can see over 400k people visit this website. So that you have a huge opportunity to get those referrals. Simply click on how to make money online. Then click on this post thread button right here. Simply type a catchy title. Then paste your referral link. Then enter your name. Solve this easy CAPTCHA. Now click on this post thread button right here. By doing this, your potential is so high to get a referral. And if you think this method is complicated for you, or you don't like this method, then watch this easy method video. I hope you will like this method.